Here we have the Deluxe Studio here in the new Disneyland Hotel Villas expansion for DVC. So first when you come in, there is a pretty spacious bathroom. The cool thing is that this bathroom door closes so someone can be using the bathroom but also be in this part as well. It does have this really cool mirror that do have the fairy godmothers on it. A nice spacious shower. And you continue down this main walkway. There's a nice mirror. Into the main area. This one does sleep 4 people. This is a pull down bed as well, so that's where the other 2 people can stay. Since it is a DVC room, you do get some silverware and some plates and cups. You also do have an ice chest and a toaster with a microwave as well, plus a Keurig with some coffees and a mini fridge as well. And there's some nice storage here, so if you need to unpack any of your stuff, you can do it there. There also is a safe with some more storage as well. A nice spacious counter area with some drawers, some stools, another mirror, a nice little couch. And this is both of these beds are queen size beds. There is a nice little backdrop of Sleeping Beauty Castle, which is really nice, with some lights, and by the beds there are outlets as well. And then you get to overlook the pool. This is a preferred room, so you have the preferred view of the pool. But that's it. Hope you guys enjoy.